TOAUTO Professional 8 kg aluminum furnace, 8 kg large capacity crucible, energy efficient insulation. How to use 8 kg aluminum furnace. Open the machine lid, place the crucible into the furnace and close the lid. Turn on the machine, and the machine temperature will automatically rise to 5 degrees Celsius to preheat the crucible. Place aluminum bar in the crucible. After the machine temperature rises to 1000 degrees Celsius, wait for the aluminum bar to melt. Preheat the graphite mold with a torch for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour the molten copper into the mold. Immerse the copper block in ice water. Tips for using 8 kg aluminum furnace. Tip 1. We need to choose a dry environment. Tip 2. Please take safety precautions before use. Tip 3. Please do not fill the crucible. It can lead to increased pressure and it can be dangerous. Tip 4. Put the crucible into the machine and the temperature will automatically rise to 5 degrees Celsius to preheat the crucible. Tip 5. The machine can only be moved after cooling, otherwise the heating core will be easily broken. Now look at your perfect aluminum casting.